are making a video, I'm making a video about should you get bangs. And I've had bangs for, let's see, since 2019 and it is 2021. If you are thinking about getting bangs, I say to you, do it. Because, you know, life is short. Just get some bangs, it's just hair, it will grow out. If you hate it, it will grow out. But honestly, personally, I'm looking at a little thing to remind me what I want to say and keep my thoughts all together. But personally, I love bangs. I really just think, like, for me, someone who has like a longer face, I think it just, I don't know, I just like how it looks with my face. I think I was scared to get bangs for a long time because of the commitment that taking care of bangs would be. And that's what I'm talking about next. It is a big commitment. And I didn't, you know, I thought I was getting myself into something by getting bangs. I didn't really know what I was getting myself into. I'm a greasy person. I have greasy forehead, like, mostly all year round. And that's a lot to deal with. And then on top of that, just like constantly having to cut bangs is another big commitment. But if I were to do a cost-benefit analysis, I think that the look of having bangs I like, so I'm keeping them. So if you are okay with that, if you do your own cost-benefit analysis and you see that you want bangs and you're okay with the commitment, you're okay with like the learning curve about, you know, how to take care of your bangs, I would do it. There definitely was a learning curve for me. I can put pictures of like different stages of my bangs, and it definitely was a lot, but we made it through, and I think I'm getting the hang of how I like the French type of look with the little part in the middle, not like complete curtain bangs, but like a little part, and then yeah. So now if you're committed, if you're ready, you're gonna get bangs, you're gonna cut them right after you watch this video and another video talking about how to cut your bangs, then I'd first say to you, first tip is to pick a style, commit to that style, and get good at that style of bangs. When I first wanted bangs, I thought, you know, I want the like very like wispy, like see-through, like long bangs that are like always in your eyes. And I got those bangs and I was like, no, they're always in my eyes. It's terrible. And also the wispiness, with that the grease becomes more noticeable on the little like strands of hair. It doesn't look cute, it really doesn't. So I would Pinterest is your best friend, and I would just pin a bunch of like bangs looks and see which one you like the most. You're making this commitment, right? So you're gonna have to invest time and a little bit of money, because you're gonna have to get some things. So I would recommend, because if you want to keep your bangs like this length, you have to cut them pretty often, maybe like once a week, 2 weeks. Sometimes I just grow them out a bit and like do like a short curtain bang type of thing, and then cut them again. So like I cut them like once a month or something. I would recommend investing in scissors. Get yourself some nice hair scissors, and get yourself a nice hair dryer. With that, some heat protectant to protect your hair. Dry shampoo, hairspray. Dry shampoo if you're a greaseball, like me. And hairspray because my hair never stays, so I gotta spritz. Oh yes, and a comb, because when you're cutting your hair, you want it to be precise. You want to make a triangle here and then cut the length that you want it to be above your eyes, and the rest you diagonal to blend in with the rest of your hair. I'm not doing a tutorial in this video. If you want me to, I could, but there are plenty of tutorial videos out there. You're gonna be adding like 10 minutes or so onto your morning routine if you're doing your bangs. Say 5 to 10 minutes, just to be safe, especially if you don't like how it comes out and you're like getting used to what it looks like and like how to control your bangs. Then I would say you're adding 10 minutes to your morning routine, so be prepared. Oh, something a little fun that I like to do, I think I saw this in another YouTube video, but I'll also put it in mine, is to tease your bangs, especially if you have like fine, like I have a lot of hair, but it's also really thin. So I would tease your hair slightly in order to like have it stay and kind of be more like poofy and voluminous. And you know, here is, okay, so you want bangs, like short bangs or curtain bangs, and here's just like my advice / opinion to you about the whole curtain bang trend. I love curtain bangs, and I think some people, honestly, I think every single person should have some like type of layering and like bangy thing going on in their hair, because it just gives you so much more texture, and you're like, when you're looking at someone who has like nice like textured hair, your like eyes like don't just stay in one spot, like you just like take the whole person in, and just like gives you more like, I feel like it just gives you more like dynamicness to your presence, if that makes sense, in a very physical way. But yeah, so curtain bangs, I love them. Also though, if you're looking for getting like bangs, like and you like are inclined, like you would get, if you want to get bangs, like short bangs, and like do this type of thing, like part in the middle, if you like that, I say you should do that instead of curtain bangs. Like don't be like, oh, I'm just gonna get curtain bangs and then maybe I'll get bangs later. Just commit all of the way. Not to pressure. In my opinion, these types of bangs, like shorter bangs, give you more variety and more creativity in how you are styling your bangs. And honestly, I can make a whole video on this too, like how like different ways I style my hair when I'm lazy, what I do with my bangs, when I'm growing out them, what do I do? I really do right now like this like part look, but like still bangs. It's giving me like Dakota Johnson vibes, which I enjoy her hair, but you can also like full like straight, you know, you can do that with this look. Have it like out like this and straight. Oh yes, and then when I grow them out just slightly, like when they're like right here level, then I can swoop them, like make them big and voluminous, and then make it like a curtain bang type thing, but like a short curtain bang. It has like 70s, 80s like type of personality to it. I really enjoy it as well. And then like if you're lazy, honestly, I'm loving the sleek middle part slicked back hair look recently, and so I'll just do that. And the bangs, like since you're like leaking your hair back, the bangs like just go in your hair, so you can hide them that way. And you know, yeah, ultimately it's your decision, but I just think there's so much variety in bangs, and it gives you just like a little different look to your daily look. And honestly, if you grow these out a little bit, I can just do like a tuck behind the ear moment, and hide my bangs when they're just like slightly longer, and it's really nice. The last word of advice I will leave you with is to get little mini travel things. So when you're out and about and your bangs get greasy, or it starts raining and your hair gets wet, that you can have, you know, a little like let your hair dry, like if it gets greasy, like dry shampoo, and then have a little comb, little travel dry shampoo, travel hairspray, comb, and like tease it up, like you tease the under part only, and then you like the top part is smooth. Yeah, and then you can fix your bangs on the go, and I think that has helped me a lot to actually like want to wear my bangs out. That is my little word on bangs, and I am lucky to have you guys watching me speak about hair, which I'm somewhat not really qualified to talk about. I have hair, so that makes me qualified, but that's really all. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like my bangs, thank you. I appreciate it. I definitely had my moments if you were following this channel for a long time. Sometimes I look back at my popular videos and cringe because of my hair. And I don't want you guys to cringe about your hair, so that's why I was giving these tips. And yeah, I hope they help. If they help, let me know. And I really like doing this thing, if you're still listening to me talk, I really like doing the thing where like I can tell if you guys have been listening to me talk. So, and I want to get to know you guys more. So, you know, comment in the comment section why you're watching this video, if you've watched it this far. And I'd love to hear about your bang journey, or like, you know, if you just stumbled upon this and you're like, what the heck, but this is kind of interesting. I'd love to know that too. It's really cool to see who my audience is, and yeah, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!